Hi, this is Kyron Mason, and this is a tutorial on how to get your Bitmoji Classroom on your homepage. So as soon as you go into your course, you can view your Bitmoji Classroom here, which is pretty cool. And all of these links are clickable, and it takes you straight to the app. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. Like this one is clickable to my own Google Sites. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Updates tab. And you're going to make a new post. You're going to treat this as kind of like a page, so you can insert content and you only have a link, a symbol, an equation. So what you're going to want to do is head over to your resources, add resource, and what you're going to do is create a brand new page. All right, so you weren't able to add any pictures or any links or anything in your update, in the Updates tab. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to create what you want in your updates in this page. So let's say test update here. So the title doesn't matter, but just so that way you can be able to find it. So what you're going to do is insert your content. Here's where you can upload your image of your Bitmoji Classroom if you have it, or you can go to your Google Drive resource app. And let's say you have your Bitmoji Classroom here. Make sure that it's the correct one that you want. And here we go. So if you have clickable links and all of that, you're going to want to go ahead and press this and import. Import embedded. And you can resize it, center it if you'd like. And then if you want those clickable links, you're going to insert a table of however many links you want. We'll do 6 here. Stretch it out to the bottom. And then here's where you're going to insert your image of whatever icon you want, if you have it screenshotted or saved to your computer. And then you'll press on the picture and then link it. And you'll type in the link to, let's say that you want it to take you to Brain Pop Jr. Okay, so instead of a picture, you can just have a link, or you can type out words as well. So after you have it built exactly the way you want, you can even type out a welcome here. There's all kinds of things you can do for your home screen. So once you have it customized, you're going to press submit. Now this is just an empty template in your resources. So what you're going to want to do is go to your page, and here it is available for you. So to select it all, what you're going to do is click and drag. So all of the words, all of the text boxes and everything gets highlighted. Then you're going to want to right click and press copy. Okay, go ahead and X out of that. It's now in your clip bar. So you're going to go back to your courses, homeroom, and you're going to go back to that updates page that you were just at, updates here. And you can right click and paste, or you can Command V. And here it is. It looks pretty small for now because this it's not necessarily meant for this big content, because it won't let you print or paste it or insert it here. So we went ahead and pasted it. And then the most important part for you to get it to show up first on your homepage is to right click and press that bell. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and press post. And as soon as you press post, you'll be able to go back to your course homepage. And if you look up at the top, it will say announcement. So this is the announcement that you have. That's why you clicked the bell, and it'll be the first thing that pops up, and then all your materials are directly below it. I hope that helps, and have fun creating your virtual classrooms in Schoology.